Hey guys, welcome back to a video. I'm Megan. We're back in the library today. It's been a long time since I filmed a video, and I have like 20 boxes that we need to unbox. I say need to because I've been saving these for this video. Today's like a work day at school, so there's no students here, and I've been waiting for today to unbox all these, so I've got to get my desk cleaned off, and I really need to get these books processed, because it's the end of the school year, people. So I had like almost $1,000 left in my library budget this year because of various reasons. But anyway, I bought all the supplies I needed and books. So this is both supplies and books. We're not going to go too much on the supplies because like who cares, but I will show you some cool supplies that I bought. I bought these things called table topics, book club starter questions, basically questions to start great conversations. 135 questions, like what would the story make a good movie? What alternative title would you give the book? How did the characters change from the beginning to the end of the book? So for like little book clubs, I thought this would be so fun. I think I bought either 4 or 6. No, I think I bought 4 sets. Yeah, they were actually kind of expensive, but you can get these on Amazon. So that's where I got them. A teacher at my school, and they're really nice, like glass cases. A teacher at my school had these and let me borrow them for Read-a-Palooza. And usually for Read-a-Palooza, we had 8 book choices. So I thought, well, if we have 8 choices, I could divide this in half. And so 4 would probably be enough. But anyway, so I bought 4 of those, which is really cool. You know, double-sided tape, super important. Goes by very, very fast when I'm making library displays. Oh my gosh, more double-sided tape. I'm gonna have to figure out where to put all this stuff. So the books, we're not gonna go through every book because I have so many boxes. You probably saw in the thumbnail, it's a lot of boxes. We can't go through all these books, but I can just like show them to you, like Tokyo Ghoul Volume 2, because I think Tokyo Ghoul Volume 2 is lost in our library. Jujutsu Kaisen 18, so a lot of manga. These are just continuations of series. 19, I'm just trying to continue, like, and buy maybe 4 or 5 in each series every time I order, do a book order, because manga is by far our most popular genre. I don't know what this is. 4 Found Dead. Is this new? I've never even heard of this author, Natalie Richards. Huh. Never heard of her. Oh, whoa. There's like not very many words per page. Okay. Very big margins and whatnot. This would read super fast. Is this new? 2023. I think maybe a student recommended this because I'm like, why would I buy this random book from 2023 that I've never heard of? I don't know. She's written other thrillers that I guess are young adult. So there's that. Oh, this is the sequel to Hey Kiddo, which we did for Read-a-Palooza. And somebody asked for it because they, you know, liked, oh, no, wait, is this the sequel? Sunshine. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's by the same author. Yeah, it's like a follow-up. Yes, right? Yeah. Okay. Hey Kiddo is like an autobiographical, you know, memoir, basically. It's like a memoir that is in graphic novel format. So I bought the sequel to that. What is this? Oh, it's the 250th anniversary of the United States, obviously. So I thought that it'd be cool to have a book about it. And this one was quite expensive. I think this was like $50 or something. It's actually from Abdo, A-B-D-O. I always get emails from them, Abdo Books, but I could buy it on Amazon, so I did. It's a little wonky sounding. You hear that? Is it supposed to make those popping noises? That doesn't sound good. 25th anniversary of the United States Encyclopedia. So I just thought that'd be cool. It does look like it could even be for middle schoolers as well. Gosh, what are these noises it's making? That just does not sound right. Oh, look, more double-sided tape. Maybe that's the end of that. Volume 17 of Jujutsu Kaisen. Oh, it's still going. Volume 15. Wow, I really, really went in on Jujutsu Kaisen. 16. Demon Slayer. I ordered these so long ago, I don't even know what I ordered. Oh, Demon Slayer Volume 1, because I think we had like 3 copies and they were all lost or something. Words on Fire by Jennifer Nielsen. This definitely looks middle grade level. Jennifer Nielsen writes a lot of historical fiction that is middle grade, but I had some students request it. Yeah, it's even a Scholastic book. I had students request this book, so I thought, you know what? Especially for like 9th graders and stuff, that I'll get it. Why not? Oh, we're almost done with the first box. Tokyo Ghoul 1 because it was lost, I think. Black Butler 1 because I don't think it was lost, but I think it's just really popular. So that's where we're at with that. Oh gosh, look at this box. Amazon sent me this box like this, people. What is this? I don't even know. Okay, here's a little box. Let's do a tiny box. Some of these just have a few books in them. Sorry, my nose is itching like crazy. There's something in these boxes or dust or something. Let's see if I can just throw the trash in the floor. Not a Drop to Drink by Mindy McGinnis. Yes, Mindy McGinnis, super popular young adult author, although this is a lot older book, I think. Yeah, she had not written all of her big popular books that she has now. I can't think of one right off the top of my head, but we have a ton of Mindy McGinnis. This one was written in 2013. Somehow we just missed this one. I want to say it's even, I mean, it says not a drop to drink, obviously. So is it like kind of dystopian, maybe? Sci-fi? Not really sure. I'm not going to read this whole thing, but regret was for people with nothing to defend, people who had no water. So yeah. One girl's journey in a barren world, not so different from our own. Oh, this is her debut. This was her debut novel. So I thought I'd get it because Mindy McGinnis is popular. Oh my gosh, I got the special edition of Twilight. I didn't know it came in a box. Twilight is still so popular. And there was like the new releases of, you know, the series, what, 20 years? Is it 20 years? 25? 20 years, I think. The 20-year covers that came out for all of them. I didn't really need to buy a new copy of every single one. Oh no, the S is messed up in Stephanie. Oh, back on Amazon, they send me the messed up copies of everything. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Twilight again, another ending. No matter how perfect the day is, it always has to end. Oh my gosh. Let's open it. Oh, whoa, what? Okay, just regular gold, right? See if you can see this. What I just saw. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see it the way I'm flipping. Let me see if I can flip it for you. Oh, look, there's Bella. There's no way Edward's on the other side, right? No way. No way. It's Edward on this side. Holy cow. Depending on how you turn these edges. That is crazy. I don't know how well you can see that, but you can turn the edges and like it's Bella on one side and then Edward on the other. Oh, it's because you can see where there's like a little bit of stuff on every page. So that's how they get those pictures to show up. Whoa. Oh, it's very pretty. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's even colored. Like that's kind of a greenish color that matches the cover. Wow. This is so fancy. And it's got the fancy bookmark in here. The little ribbon. Let's see if I can get the ribbon out. There we go. Oh my goodness. I love it so much. Yeah, I'm not going to put any sort of covering on this. I'm just going to put the sticker on it. And that's it. And even the box is so pretty. Maybe I could just set it beside there, something like a little display. I'll keep the box too. Yeah, the box is pretty. If somebody's gonna want the box. They're gonna be like, "Can I have the box?" I'll be like, "No, you cannot have the box." Where do I start stacking all these books? There's just too many books. There's too many books. Okay, is that all in that one? Nope, there's one more. Oh, I know what this is. I can tell by the back cover. I bought One Dark Window for the school library a little while ago. And it's been pretty popular, honestly, even though I've only had it for like a couple months. Oh, look how pretty. And I did not mean to order the special edition of One Dark Window. I ordered it from the bookstore where I did the book fair, and they just got me the special edition and paid like $30 for it. $32, apparently, for this one. And it was really, really pretty. And I was like, you know what? I have to order the sequel. I can't just have the first one, because if anybody likes the first one, they're also going to want the second one. So I also, ooh, look at that. I also bought the second one. Be wary, be clever, be good. This book series, if you've not read it, it's not really very romance heavy. Like there's some romance, but it's more just like fantasy. So young adult fantasy duology. It was perfect. It had, I gave it 4 stars. It had this like not playing cards, but just cards in general, like card magic that was really fun. It had kind of some twists and turns, and it had this entity that sort of lived in the main character's head that was like sort of bad that nobody knew was there, and I loved it so much. It reminds me of another series I read where that happened, but I don't even want to say what it is because it would be a spoiler for that series. But it was really good. Okay, what's this one? Okay, there's only 2 books in this entire box. Every Spiral of Fate by Tahira Mafi. I think this is a series. Yes, it's This Woven Kingdom. We have this Woven Kingdom series, and I do have a couple students who did reach book 3. So I don't know if this is actually book 4 or if it, oh, it is the 4th and maybe final. I don't know. No, it doesn't actually say final. It just says the 4th volume as it continues. So maybe there's even going to be more. I thought maybe it was like a spinoff series, but it appears to be the actual series. Is it pretty under here? Oh, the spine is really pretty. Every Spiral of Fate. I read Shatter Me and thought the writing style was so beautiful, and I could not make it through the second book in the Shatter Me series because I was just bored out of my mind, did not care about what was happening. Way too young adult for me. I could see where young adults would like it, but I'm thinking that maybe I'll try this series. I'm sure it's probably romance too. It sounds like it from just what I'm seeing on the back. It's something about people being married. I don't know. It sounds like a romance, but I might give it a try because I liked her writing style so much. Oh, I also thought it'll be fun in this video, and maybe we'll do it at the end especially, would be to figure out my summer TBR. Like what books, which I already have a summer TBR just for me personally, but like what school kind of related books I want to take home, young adult books. So far don't want to take any of this out. Well, I could try maybe, where was that mystery? The first one that we opened that was like in that first box. Where was it? 4 Found Dead. I mean, I guess I could try that and just see what it is. I could go for a young adult. Oh, Jujutsu Kaisen down. Okay, that's just the receipt. Give Me a Sign. Oh, this was a replacement for a lost book. We lost this copy. Somebody moved that had it checked out, and there's no way I'm ever getting it back. So, yep, this was I think this was a KBA book. Yeah, Kentucky Book Award finalist, like last year or year before. So I bought it. Also, my child now. Wait, what was that noise? It's like a ghost in the library. I think it's maybe just a book falling down. My child knows sign language now, like the letters of the alphabet anyway. He learned them at daycare from a little sign that they have on the wall. So like he's been going around showing me like his name in sign language. I can't even do it, but he's been teaching me. So that's been kind of fun. So there we go. Okay, do we do another Amazon box or do we do the Fallout books? What's this one? Oh gosh, this one just has paper. I'm just gonna take out the books. This, I promise I'm telling you the truth. This box over here just has paper in. Oh, what? What? I ordered, oh no, well, this one's all bent and broken anyway. This one's all like messed up. That's why they sent me 2 copies. I swear I did not order 2 copies. I did not order 2 copies of this book, but they gave me 2 copies. I'm gonna have to look at the invoice and see if we paid for 2 copies. I did not order 2. I don't know what's happening. Why are there 2 copies? Well, we can have a display where they check out a book with a friend, you know, like at Thanksgiving. I do Friendsgiving, and I put 2 copies of each book out there. It'll be fine. Okay, so this box just has paper in it for the most part. Oh wow, there's books underneath all the paper. Like I bought various colors of paper, like there's yellow, there's green. Oh my gosh. And now there's actual books in there too, buried under this paper. Okay, we're back. This was buried under the paper. It is so messed up. Oh, I hate Amazon. Why do they do this? It's my fault. I'm paying, you know, I'm getting these books so much cheaper. I got this book for $14.99 or cheaper probably. It's Scholastic, so it looks a little more like middle grade level, but it is very pretty. It's called Let's Split Up. Famous Last Words with a Killer on the Loose. Oh, by Bill Wood. I remember, I think I ordered a couple of his books. Is there another one in here? Yes, Be Right Back. I don't know if it's a series or not. That one's pretty too. 1 year after their last case. Okay, yeah, so this is kind of like a heart-pounding thriller. It's Scream meets Scooby-Doo in an electrifying horror. Oh, I thought it was going to be a mystery, but I guess it's more horror. That makes sense. It does look like horror now that I look at it. You know, the blood and whatnot. So this is an absolute must for fans of Scooby-Doo and 90s and 2000s horror movies. So Scooby-Doo would be like for kids, horror movies would be for adults, so that makes sense. This would be kind of like in the middle. Like I said, I think they're maybe more middle grade. Oh, this is YA, a new voice in YA. I don't know how new these books are though. Is he really new? This is from 2026. Oh wow, this one is brand new. I think the other one obviously is older, but this was written by a male author, and we just have so few books. I literally have kids ask me, they're like, where are all the books with dudes? Where are all the dude main characters? Is this a dude main character? Cam, yes, I think so. I mean, I'm gonna guess. Yeah, I mean, there's a girl too. Oh my gosh, there's a girl named Buffy in it. What? That's hilarious. So, for the dudes, there we go. I mean, obviously anybody can read it, but everybody always asks, where are the male authors? Where are the male protagonists? Now we have some. Okay, so this is the same one. Okay, I thought we were getting extra copies of more books. I was really confused. Oh, The Lost World by Michael Crichton. Oh, wait. No, wait, we do. Oh, no. Guys, what is happening? I think Amazon sent me these things twice. There's no way I ordered both these. There's no way I ordered the 2 of the same book again. And they're both really nice hardcovers. What is happening? One was in that really damaged box, so maybe that's why they sent me another one. Has anybody ever had this happen? Like they send you an extra one? Maybe it was just a mistake. I'm gonna go make sure they didn't charge us because that would be crazy, but I don't think they did. So, because I signed off on the PO already, and I already checked to see which books we had. I don't know. Michael Crichton, The Lost World. We don't have The Lost World, and I think I had somebody actually request it. We have Jurassic Park, which we keep losing our copy of. Maybe I need more copies of Jurassic Park. I hate that they're just these little paperbacks though. Like, I wish it was bigger and prettier and not this tiny one. This one has such a little plot synopsis. Look, that's it. I mean, everybody knows what it's about, so you like, the less you know, the better, probably, right? Okay. Oh, well, I did order 2 copies of this one, I think, on purpose because it looked really good. I'm pretty sure I have another copy that I did truly order. Marissa Meyer writing with somebody else, Tamara Moss, the escape game. This competition is to die for. And look at the sprayed edges. I love sprayed edges. I know some people hate them. I love them so much. So, and it's beautiful with the yellow. It's so bright and pretty. This looks like the book for me. It's like my favorite colors. This is kind of boring, but I love escape rooms. My husband and I do escape rooms all the time. Look, here's a lock and key. We've done them in like every city that we go to. So I don't even want to know what this is about. I just want to read it. Who's Tamara Moss? She wrote some books. I don't know. It's fans of escape rooms, murder mysteries, and soapy reality TV. Pick this up. I loved it. A perfect puzzle of a book full of twists and turns and characters that you'll fall in love with. Okay, so it is a mystery. They have to solve who killed somebody or something, but also it's, oh my gosh, there is an escape room in the game. What? There was a TV show called The Escape Game that ended in horror when one of the contestants was murdered on set. Now season 5 is underway, and new contestants are ready to put their skills to the test, solving the show's trickiest escape rooms. And there's one character's a cryptographer, one is a math whiz, one's a wannabe game master, and then there's one who's the girl that got away with her sister's murder, or so everyone believes. I'm guessing she's the main character. And she's not just here to win, she's here for justice. They start to uncover the truth about the killer. It becomes clear the stakes aren't high in this competition. They're deadly. If these teens want to win and survive the game, they must solve the biggest mystery, who killed Alice. Okay, I'm going to read that. I'm going to take this home. I'm going to read this, like, right there. This is my take-home TBR pile, right there. That one for sure. Everything else maybe. I mean, there's some maybes, but that's, like, for sure. We needed a new copy of Pretty Little Liars. We have the whole series, and book 1 is missing. So now we have book 1 again. Still popular. People still request it every now and then. Oh, and glass board markers that are opened already. Ugh, these boxes too look terrible. Like, seriously, what is Amazon? What is going on? Glass board markers. And this box is discolored. I feel like it should be white. Okay, that concludes part 1 of this video. I've realized it's going to be way too long. We still have some boxes to unbox. So let's pause here for today, and we'll be back here like next week with part 2. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you.